Imagine making a small dietary change that significantly boosts your health, adding sweet potatoes to your daily meals. This simple root vegetable, often overlooked outside holiday dishes, is packed with nutrients that can transform your well-being. From enhancing immunity to supporting gut health and even benefiting your brain, sweet potatoes hold powerful secrets. Let's explore what happens when you eat them daily, their specific benefits, and creative ways to enjoy them without getting bored. Potent antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which gives them their vibrant orange hue. These antioxidants act like invisible shields, protecting cells from free radicals, unstable molecules from stress, pollution, or poor diet that contribute to aging and chronic diseases like cancer or diabetes. Beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, crucial for immune function, healthy skin, and sharp vision. Just 100 grams of cooked sweet potatoes provide over 100% of your daily vitamin A needs, according to USDA data. A 2012 study in Food and Function found that sweet potatoes, especially orange and purple varieties, significantly reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, fortifying your body's defenses at a cellular level. Rich in vitamins, sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of vitamin C and B complex, including B6 and B5. 1 cup of boiled sweet potatoes delivers about 30% of your daily vitamin C, which boosts immunity, supports collagen production for skin and bones, and enhances iron absorption. Vitamin B6, providing 20% of daily needs per serving, is vital for brain health, aiding neurotransmitter production for mood and focus. A 2015 study in Advances in Nutrition linked these vitamins to better immune function and reduced inflammation, making sweet potatoes a natural vitamin boost. Gut health support. High in both soluble and insoluble fiber, sweet potatoes promote a healthy digestive system. Insoluble fiber aids regular bowel movements, while soluble fiber slows digestion, enhancing nutrient absorption and satiety. They're also rich in prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria, which supports immunity and reduces inflammation. A 2018 study in Cell Host and Microbe showed that prebiotic-rich foods like sweet potatoes improve microbial diversity and gut health, reducing bloating and fostering long-term digestive wellness. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes have a low to medium glycemic index, releasing glucose slowly to prevent energy spikes and crashes. Their fiber, complex carbs, and antioxidants, like beta-carotene, reduce insulin resistance. A 2008 study in Journal of Medicinal Food found that sweet potato extract improved insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes patients, suggesting they're a smart choice for stable blood sugar, especially when replacing refined carbs. Anti-inflammatory power. Chronic inflammation drives many diseases, but sweet potatoes combat it with beta-carotene, anthocyanins in purple varieties, and choline. These compounds neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, as shown in a 2015 Food and Nutrition research study. This natural approach lowers the risk of heart disease, arthritis, and other inflammatory conditions. Weight management. Sweet potatoes are low-calorie, 100 to 120 calories per medium potato, yet filling due to their fiber and resistant starch, which ferments in the gut to produce satiety-enhancing short-chain fatty acids. A 2013 nutrition and diabetes study found that resistant starch increased fat metabolism and reduced hunger, making sweet potatoes ideal for weight control. Creative ways to enjoy. To maximize benefits without monotony, try roasting sweet potato cubes with olive oil and spices, mashing them with Greek yogurt, or blending them into smoothies with banana and cinnamon. Add roasted chunks to salads, make crispy fries, or saute them with veggies for a breakfast hash. These versatile options keep your diet exciting and nutrient-packed. In conclusion, daily sweet potato consumption offers a wealth of benefits, from stronger immunity to better digestion and brain health. Share your favorite sweet potato recipes in the comments and let us know where you're from. If this resonates, type 1 below. If not, type 0. For more health tips, subscribe and stay tuned.